For years, Fujifilm has commanded a passionate loyalty unmatched by any other camera brand. Their X-T series is the perfect collision of tactile, retro genius, and cutting-edge technology. The X-T5, however, left a crack in the armor, especially for hybrid creators. It was a still photography masterpiece that felt shy about its video power. The Fujifilm X-T6 is not just an update. The leaks confirm it is a furious attempt to eliminate every compromise, delivering a camera so balanced in stills and video, so refined in performance, that it threatens to reset the entire APS-C market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For the next 30 minutes, prepare to hear the details that make the X-T6 the most anticipated camera release in years. We're dissecting the core changes that will turn the X-T6 from a beloved tool into an absolute necessity. Let's begin where the X-T5 drew the most criticism: video power and heat. The video revolution, true 8K, and the cooling fix. The X-T5 technically had 6.2K video, but heat and processing limits held it back. The X-T6 is rumored to feature the X Processor 6, a generational leap in processing speed and, crucially, heat management. The most explosive leak suggests the X-T6 is engineered for sustainable, high-resolution video. We're talking about 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, internally, with greatly reduced risk of thermal shutdown. This isn't just a bigger number. This is about delivering the highest possible quality for professional cinema projects without needing a bulky cinema body. This leap means Fujifilm is finally serious about competing with the high-end video capabilities of its rivals. Beyond resolution, expect major video quality enhancements, including 12-bit Apple ProRes RAW over HDMI, or even internal ProRes recording, directly addressing the professional workflow demands of today's hybrid creators. The X-T6 is rumored to be the camera that finally convinces dedicated videographers to commit to the Fuji system. The sensor, speed, not just resolution. While the excellent 40-megapixel X-Trans 5HR sensor from the X-T5 is likely to carry over, the core upgrade is in the speed of the readout. Leaks point to a new sensor architecture, perhaps a partially stacked design, focused on minimizing two critical problems: rolling shutter and buffer capacity. A faster readout speed means virtually non-existent rolling shutter, even when shooting fast-moving subjects. For street and action photographers using the electronic shutter, this is a monumental leap. Paired with the X Processor 6, the buffer is rumored to be massive, allowing for sustained bursts of full-resolution 40MP images at high frames per second, eliminating the frustrating slowdowns that plagued previous models during intense shooting sessions. The X-T6 will be the speed champion of the APS-C world. The ergonomic compromise is over. The screen fix. The X-T5's dedication to stills meant sacrificing the fully articulating screen of the X-T4, a move that alienated the video and vlogging community. The X-T6 leaks confirm that Fujifilm has listened. Rumors strongly suggest a move to a hybrid tilting/articulating screen. This design, often seen on competitors, allows the screen to tilt up for still photography or swing out to the side for video and vlogging. This single ergonomic change resolves the fiercest debate in the Fuji community, making the X-T6 a truly no-compromise hybrid.